let's backtrack. Before Bongbong Marcos was elected president, he was unemployed for 6 years because he lost to Leni Robredo for vice president. He was senator before that. But before that even, Bongbong Marcos had no visible and clear means of income. He's not a lawyer. He is not a head of some reputable business. He has no profession. And it was discovered that he lied, that he graduated from Princeton or Oxford.
Ano po yung ibinigay sa inyo?
Certificate.
Na kayo ay-
This is to certify that Ferdinand Marcos has completed a BA degree in social science.
Is it a BA degree, sir? Nakita ko doon ang sinulat ng Oxford is...
We can confirm that a Ferdinand Marcos matriculated at the University of Oxford in 1975 to read for a BA in philosophy and economics. According to our records, he did not complete his degree, but was awarded a special diploma in social studies in 1978.
Nagpalit ako ng kurso. Sabi ko, politics, philosophy, and economics yan. Sabi ko, ang bagsak naman ito lagi, politics eh.
Pero is a special diploma and a degree the same?
Well, I don't, I suppose there are differences, but ang ending nun is that it is a bachelor's degree.
Still, he won the presidency. And so there we have it. What he didn't expect, what he didn't plan for, is that he was gonna be president of a poor country. A country that needed a president who was not only hardworking, even if not brilliant, but honest and dedicated. Because what the Filipinos feared the most was an economic disaster under Bongbong Marcos.